In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a machine hip thrust. Now, if you've got access to this piece of kit in your gym, I would highly recommend it just because it's so effective in terms of the setup. It's going to be a lot more comfortable than using a barbell. And more I'm seeing this piece of kit in the gym, and I'd highly recommend you make use of it because it's going to make your glutes really, really strong. Now, this one I'm using today is called a booty builder. The setup is perfect in my opinion. However, you might not have a seat. What you want to think about is your body position. You want to make sure you're not arching your back, so you're putting all the weight through your spine. You want to think about when you're doing the exercise, keeping your rib cage pulled down so your spine stays nice and straight. That way the weight is going to go through your glutes all the way through the movement. So once you've got in the machine and you've set up, as you can see, this one's got a seat belt. I'm locked in. I'm going to get into the start position. So the start position should be feet just outside hips. All the weight's going to remain through my heels. That's going to make sure I'm not pulling too much through my hamstrings. If you put your feet too far up, you'll feel your hamstrings fire a lot more. Okay, so nice comfortable position. Keep your knees out so they're not going to buckle at any point. That's going to keep tension on your glutes. Rib cage remains pulled down, so my chin's tucked into my chest. Just put your hands where they feel comfortable. So I'm going to hold onto the seatbelt when I do it. From there, drive the hips up, so my body's in a straight line from knee to shoulder. Rib cage remains pulled down, so I'm not arching my back. From there, back to that start point. So again, all the way through my heels, knees out, big drive up, take your time, back to that start point. It's a really simple, easy to do exercise. The machine does look a bit scary, but I promise you, if you get good at it, your glutes are going to get a lot stronger.